Hello and welcome. I am going to narrate this System 99 Confined Space Rescue demo for you. We have a three-man crew here, members of the Malvern, Pennsylvania Fire Company and the East Whiteland, Pennsylvania Fire Company, doing a mock rescue here out of a square manhole suspended from a 7-foot tripod. Tripod is aluminum, adjustable legs for any area you have to work, sloped or flat. This, of course, is flat. They just lifted a man out of a manhole. Matt Miles is the victim here. Notice our operator is now lifting him again. He's pulling down on the freeside rope. This is one of our B systems. It's set up with a 3-to-1 mechanical advantage. That means he's lifting 1/3 of the weight, which I believe is a total of about 180. So let's say it's taking 60 pounds of force